Right, it's lunchtime. Okay, I'm taking my 30 minutes break and I'm having my, look, I'm having my chicken right there. That's actually hot wings, yeah? Hot chicken wings. I prefer to eat here in my car so I can recharge my battery kasi bawal mag-recharge right there. Okay? Kasi naubusan ako ng battery ng aking cellphone. So, and plus, it's much better to eat right here. Kasi mahirap yung nandun ako sa employee's room. Tapos may mga ibang tao. So, hindi ako pwedeng makapag-vlog. Wow. Kain tayo. Alright guys. Ano ulit ko? 8 kiyaw, okay? Pamimigay ko. So, all you have to do is share, like, and follow Mystica page, and then of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ito ba yung Mystica Celebrity Channel, okay? And of course pusuan nyo na rin. Legit ito, legit, okay? Hindi katulad dun sa ano na 10 kyaw siya ng 10 kyaw, okay, 1 million kyaw or whatever. Wala naman pala kundi puro ano lang yun, hangin. Palilin lang, alright? Pero ito, legit. Pag sinabi kong Mystica pinaka-legit, ibig sabihin talagang totoo. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Okay? Alright.